Dr. Lim's 3-Step Care Mask is a convenient 3-in-1 sheet mask that works as a complete skincare routine. Each sheet mask comes with a Phytolizer Essence, a Phyto Sheet Mask, and a Phytox Cream that helps brighten your complexion, moisturize your skin, and restore skin's firmness for a lifting result. Step 1. After cleansing, massage the Phytolizer Essence evenly on your face. The Phytolizer Essence removes dead skin cells and boosts the skin regeneration process to reveal a soft and luminous complexion. Step 2. Place the Phyto Mask onto your face. Make sure to smooth out all the folds and wrinkles. The Phyto Mask is soaked with Aqualaria agalica extract, which is known for its soothing, antioxidant, and anti-aging properties. Remove the mask after 20 to 30 minutes and lightly massage the excess essence into the skin. Step 3. Apply the Phytox Cream onto the skin. The Phytox Cream contains 3 types of peptides and phytochemicals. It locks in moisture and tightens the skin at the same time. Bring the Dr. Lim's 3-Step Care Mask with you on the go or when traveling to replace bulky skincare jars and bottles. You can also use the Dr. Lim's 3-Step Care Mask before important events for an instant boost.